Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video for the March design team project for my Apple Lover 53 website. So the person that was meant to do the February project had to drop out, so I asked the March person, which was Val, if she would bring her project forward to February, and that's the beautiful handbag shape card that was on my YouTube channel and website on the last day of February, which left me with a problem for March. And to be honest, I've just been too busy to be able to come up with something myself. So Paul, who made the January project, has come up with these lovely little baskets, and he's created these baskets from basic shapes in ScanNCut Canvas Workspace. But rather than him have to produce another PDF document full of instructions, he's very kindly offered to give the cutting files. So I'm on today to show you the two projects. And when you go over to my website and go to the Scan and Cut tab, scroll down to the Design Team tab, you will find this under the March project. When you click on the image, it will give you a link to the cutting file that will contain the files for both baskets. So rather than you having a PDF to follow this month, you're just going to be getting Paul's cutting files. And then hopefully the April project will be back on track and we'll have a project to show you and a PDF for you to follow. So I hope that's okay. Please make sure that you go over to the website and have a look at the project. Obviously, once you get, this is in Canvas, once you open it, you'll be able to resize and make the baskets any size you want. I'm just showing you a couple here that Paul sent me. And I think you'll have they're fun, aren't they? And they could be used for anything. So pop on over, go and have a look and download the cutting file, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.